Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we're going to take a look here today at Devon Energy Corp. A lot of you may know this company. It's an independent oil and gas play. The stock right now has really been sliding since December as it traded above $50. Now it's trading down to around $40. A lot of traders have been emailing me asking me, Nick, is this a good time to pick the stock up? And first thing you want to notice is that the stock is trading below all of its major moving averages. So it is below the 50-day, the 20-day, and ultimately the 200-day moving averages. Anytime a stock trades below those moving averages, which are so critical, it puts the stock in a weak technical position. So you want to look lower. Now, how do we find the next level where this stock is going to have support? Well, we look at the next pivot. And the pivot low here is around 36.60. So you know you'll have a good double bottom there. But what I like to do is go to a bigger time frame. And when you do that, you get a little bit more history of the name. And you get to see a little bit more out there of where the stock reacted. And that usually tells us where the institutions will react. And the first thing I notice is if you go back, all the way back to 2015. In fact, if you go back to late September 2015, the stock traded at $36. Now, if you take a look here, this is where it put in somewhat of a base, back tested around over here around 35 bucks, back tested over here around 37.85, back tested here around 36.60. That matches up well, in my opinion, to tell me we're going to get a good level of support around $36 to $35 for Devon Energy. So if you're going to look to get involved in this name, this is where you're going to want to do it, right around the $36 area. It could be $36.50, could be $35.50, but within that range, $1 is where you're going to look to get involved in this stock for a bounce. Now remember, crude oil right now has been under pressure. It's been very, very weak as of late. That probably comes down lower. That could help to push Devon Energy lower. So again, stock gets to around 36 bucks. That's where you take your trade. Now here's the easy part. All you're going to do for a stop out is you put your stop right below $32.81. That's this pivot low here. Any weekly chart close below there, you stop out. As for upside targets, you got a couple of big ones. The first one is going to be right back here to around the $40 level. Second one will be right around $45. Third upside target would be the double top at 50, or else you go up even to the 200-day moving average. So you got plenty of upside potential from this downside level. And again, that's where I will be getting involved in this name. So if you want to come join me, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You get all of our chart setups, you get our cycle work, you get all of our content, and you'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything stock market related. And again, today we just closed out a trade on Nugget for about 10%. So again, another winner in the books there. So if you want to come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center, and you'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here short and sweet. Have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.